Atlanta is a city that's full of energy, history, and culture. It's also a great place to bond with your team and create lasting memories. Hi, I'm Kristen with Unexpected Atlanta, and as experts in bringing Atlanta teams together, we've put together some fun Atlanta team building experiences that we think will help your team grow closer together. First up, if you want to explore Atlanta with your team, you have to take a neighborhood tour. And we have so many options at Unexpected Atlanta, from our King Historic District tour, where we will share incredible insights of Dr. King and the Civil Rights Movement with your team. Or if your team prefers delicious food, and who doesn't, join our Grand Park food tour, where your team can eat your way through this historic neighborhood with some of Atlanta's best restaurants. Now, if you'd rather do something at your office, check out the Graffiti Art Workshop. Booking a private class with ATL Bench allows your team to unleash their creativity and work together to create a masterpiece. With the help of a professional graffiti artist, your team will learn the basics of graffiti art and create a unique piece of art that you can proudly display in your office or workspace. New Zoom background, anyone? Next on the list is the Center for Puppetry Arts. Believe it or not, being a puppeteer requires many of the same skills as being a corporate leader: listening, communication, trust, teamwork, and creativity. And as a result, you can empower your group to work together with creative puppetry team building exercises. How fun! Now, another great idea for team building in Atlanta is the Adult Big Wheel Club. You'll feel like a kid at heart for this unique experience. Now, the focus is not based on physical ability, speed, or age. Rather, the key to winning is collaboration. And for those who love a challenge, a ropes course is a great option for team building. Your team will work together to navigate through a series of obstacles and challenges while being safely harnessed in. And this activity requires teamwork, communication, and trust, and is a great way to build these skills while having fun. Oh, here's another great idea: a cooking class. This activity allows your team to bond over tasty food and learn new culinary skills. Your team will work together to create a delicious meal guided by a professional chef. Our team has been to the Irwin Street cooking class for a fantastic time, and we are sure that your team will enjoy it too. Tell them we said hey. Now, Atlanta has so many fun team building ideas to choose from. Let us know if you booked one of our suggestions. Book an experience today and create lasting memories with your team. Check out more fun team building experiences at www.unexpectedatlanta.com and come see why our walking tours have over 1,500 five-star reviews on TripAdvisor. And be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay in the know with all things Atlanta.